If you've ever tried to save or edit a video in CapCut only to get that frustrating error message about needing access to your album, then this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to resolve the CapCut requires access to the album for editing and saving videos error on your Windows PC, so you can get back to creating videos. Stress-free? Let's get right into it. The very first thing you'll want to check is your Windows permissions. It might sound a bit technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. CapCut needs permission to access your folders in order to save and edit videos. So if those permissions are blocked, the app simply can't do its job. To fix this, head over to your computer's privacy settings and look at the folder access for CapCut. You're specifically looking to make sure CapCut is listed as allowed, especially for documents, pictures, or wherever you're saving your projects. This is often the root cause of the error, so just double-check it. And if you see CapCut isn't permitted, go ahead and flip that switch. Now, sometimes computers, just like us, need a little reset to clear their heads. If you've tweaked your permissions or suspect a minor glitch, a simple restart can help. That's right. Close everything down, restart your PC, and try CapCut again. I know it feels almost too easy, but you'd be surprised how many hiccups this fixes. Think of it like giving your device a fresh start to recognize new changes. If you're still seeing the error, let's explore the in-app settings within CapCut itself. Go ahead and open CapCut, then navigate to the menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Performance tab. This is where CapCut handles some of its more technical behind-the-scenes stuff. You'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Try unchecking that box. What does this do? Well, hardware encoding is designed to make exporting videos faster, but in some cases, it can actually cause compatibility issues, especially with folder permissions or exporting errors in certain setups. After you've unchecked it, click Save, and then try exporting your video again. Sometimes dialing down the speediness helps things work more reliably. If the problem persists, don't worry. There are still a few more things we can try. First up, updating CapCut. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app, since updates often include important bug fixes and improved compatibility with Windows. Outdated software can run into all sorts of unexpected issues, so check for updates through the CapCut site or your app store. After that, close CapCut completely and restart your computer once more before launching the app. I know we already mentioned a restart, but doing this after an update makes sure everything refreshes and loads up the newest files. Another smart troubleshooting step is to clear CapCut's cache. Just like sweeping the dust under your hardware's digital rug, clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted or causing trouble. Within CapCut or your system settings, look for a cache clearing option and follow the prompts. Don't worry if it takes a minute and it won't delete your actual videos or projects, just the back-end stuff. And finally, always make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive before exporting. CapCut needs wiggle room to complete a save, just like you'd need counter space to prepare a meal. Too little space can halt the entire process. All right, that covers it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the CapCut album access error and get back to editing and saving your videos without a hitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need more help, and make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.